Chief Minister Biren assures National Sports University Manipur will not be shifted to Lucknow or anywhere else. Labour Minister Radhesham calls on youths of the state to take any available job instead of merely waiting for government jobs. "114 students escape as fight guts down a private hostel of Bethel Christian English School at New Kaitan Manbi in Kampopi district. And Minister Karamsham asserts bonding of public and government will facilitate bringing of development in the state. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Kangzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Clarifying the rumor on the shifting of the main campus of the National Sports University Manipur to Lucknow and placing of major courses of the university in Mohali, which appeared on local media yesterday, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has assured that National Sports University Manipur will not be shifted to Lucknow or anywhere else. Speaking to media person at Chief Minister's Secretariat, Chief Minister Biren stated that the Prime Minister himself laid the foundation stone for the construction of the university in Manipur, and as such, shifting of the university is impractical.
Karimata laite. You see, Honorable Prime Minister amana laaga sijatra hulamaba port ama hongtong hojin tawai do numit na nongsup tagi thola kan taw gudam nendu do. Karimata laite.
On the other hand, the Chief Minister maintained that out of the 86 illegal immigrants apprehended in the state, 36 immigrants were put behind bars. He expressed apprehension that some people from the state are involved in these traffickings. He further appealed to organizations concerned who are accusing the Manipur police of targeting a certain community to refrain from politicizing government measures which are conducted to safeguard the state's security.
Our peoples who are residing inside the states, their hands is involving in bringing such illegal immigrants, which is totally condemnable. And I would like to appeal to the people of the state, be sincere, be transparent, be nationalist. Think about your state, think about your country. Don't try to bring any illegal immigrants or anybody from those sides.
Speaking in regards to the Citizen Amendment Bill, the Chief Minister said the bill is based in Assam. Chief Minister Biren assured that a bill to safeguard the indigenous inhabitants of Manipur will be enforced soon.
Manipur is nothing to do with this, and in Manipur we should not be over it. The state government is going to pass a bill to protect the Manipuri peoples, indigenous people, and everything will be covered by that act. Manipur is nothing to do with this. And
Registrar of National Sports University, retired IAS K. Radhakumar, has also clarified that there is no official statement regarding the shifting of National Sports University from Manipur. He was speaking to media person at the conference hall of Manipur Olympic Association in Kumantlampak Sports Complex today. He said the center took the decision to establish the National Sports University in Manipur in consideration of the many sport persons in the state who brought laurels to the country and the state despite financial constraint, and that Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone for construction of the university at Koktruk in Imphal West District on March 16 this year. Radhakumar said the construction work of the university is taking place at a 325 land area in Koktruk, and that 23 students are currently studying different sports disciplines at the university in Kumantlampak Sports Complex under L. Tompok, Premkanta and Amritya, and Ravi Shankar, Haris Tyagi and M. Malim Janu.
There is no question of shifting National Sports University si ship to me have a sulu late. A quite a nasi longer like the document until late. Aduga outline campuses established obligity, which is memorandum of association that there is a provision. Aduna ni me amangari. Aduna machine main quickie center. Other is not outline campus with us. She the restart like the other deputy restart lane. She the controller like the assistant controller the controller delay or Harry. Some the finance officer some the assistant finance officer or deputy finance officer and key. But there be
Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren has announced that rupee cards for all age pensioners will soon be issued. The Chief Minister made the announcement at the launching event of payment of pension benefit through NSAP PPS using PFMS at Secretariat today. Biren said the initiative will surely benefit the elderly person and the problem faced earlier by the old pensioners in withdrawing pensions will be done away with. On the other hand, the Chief Minister also mentioned that the benefits will be reached at doorsteps of the beneficiaries with the issuance of rupee card. He also said beneficiaries at places where there is no bank will be provided the benefit through banking correspondent. Social Welfare and Cooperation Minister Nemcha Kipgand and Special Secretary of the Ministry of Rural Development, IAS, Jaydeep Gobind, were among those present at the event.
Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji ki makhada maximum transparency pinanaba magi vision duni ngasi gi haurai se lai se aduna ngasai ge khoi gi adagi paisa thagraga sidai da matam san ahan sing da yobra yogdabra aduga state ki finance ki condition na matam sana thadok da difficulties mayam needy people sing the Lerambado. Nasidi direct Adagi Vaisasi La Akanda Mamagi account Sangadore. Bank Yugdabajaga, where the bank could not resort. Bank office nahi, bank building nahi. Adugumbadum Daikoi, banking correspondent through the sport Satlakanda, Quigi Chinganaba Kanoda Pubiraka Pasakai Toga, doorstep delivery same to
Jogesor Center for Regional Excellence, also known as JCRE, Skill Solution, a skill development institute, celebrated its 5th Foundation Day at Hotel Classic Grand in Chingmairong today. Speaking as the chief guest in the event, Labor Minister Toksom Radisham lauded JCRE Skill Solution for imparting skills to youth in the state and enabling them to employ themselves in various factories and companies. He also emphasized the need for youths in the state to look out for any available job opportunities rather than merely waiting for government jobs. Special guest, Mission Director of MSSD, C. Arthur Wurchoyo, called on the need for identifying focal work areas and field in the required manpower in Manipur. Taking part in the event, Chairman and Managing Director of Babina Healthcare and Hospitality Industries Private Limited, Dr. Thangjam Dabli, asserted that the root cause of all the problems in the state is due to unemployment. He mentioned that institutes like JCRE Skill Solution play a significant role in providing skill development training in such a scenario. Dr. Thangjam Dabli also said outsiders are flooding in Manipur as there are job opportunities in the state. He opined when people of the state take up jobs without credit, entrance of outsiders in the state would eventually decline.
You are not going to do different thing. Same thing in a different way. There comes the beauty. Self-employment, government, it is not going to happen. Next to impossible. How we can create. Manipur plumbing pipe mystery. Odisha nature does not allow vacuum. Police Mapani mi lakadi at some gabina military. Bujing some Gamayang, Nomaka Melo Chengre. Cheng later Makana. So vacuum the lady Buzuna, Lakotavani. A queen, mina Tabaku Rokanda and part or a quaint of Zerakanda. Automatically Tabak Latin. But Aduma Tabak toning them. A man full lady. Ari Sarapudi, class 10 past Roga, mobile sale Panukanam, the hero Panukanam from Muti, mobile sale Kanda.
Spokesperson of BJP Manipur Pradesh C.H. Bijoy has accused the Congress party of challenging the country's democracy. He also said the Congress party is in apprehension with the success of Chief Minister Biren-led BJP government's ambitious Go to Village mission. Addressing media person at BJP Manipur Pradesh office in Nitaipak Jutek today, C.H. Bijoy accused the Congress party of being double standard by citing the example of Congress national leader Rahul Gandhi equating the Supreme Court of India to that of Pakistan when the political scenario during formation of Karnataka government did not favor the Congress party, while praising the same Supreme Court for saving India's constitution when the political scenario favored the party. The spokesperson also reminded of the 1975 emergency declared during the Congress governance and various other untoward incidents in the political history of the Congress to prove that the Congress party do not truly espouse for democracy. He asserted that the Congress party has no chance of coming back in power in the upcoming 2019 general elections. On the other hand, the BJP spokesperson also stated that appreciations for BJP for executing free and fair policy during recruitment of staff for Manipur Bhavan in Guwahati and in the recruitment of assistant professors are all on local medias. C.H. Bijoy mocked the Congress party of being anxious at the decline of corruption with the BJP in power.
Karnataka election the Congress na backdoor da power paina bo hona bagi process di da Congress ki real DNA se low in exposed away. Democracy threatened to reject kanano is Congress ki history da mai yam seng na yauri ba 1975 ki emergency imposition to ba 84 da Indira Gandhi laigidro matang da Pakistan na khoi Delhi da leba Sikh ma massacre to ki ba adu da matam da ki prime minister led Sri Rajiv Gandhi na irai lagi uzaw mutu di u massacre nan mata bani kaina adugba emotion yaw da mayang awa khang da statement makoi na hojikta sigi process loi kanda makoi inna wakal seng da mayam da loin expose to tu rezi khange 2019 da Congress chance leite.
Manipur Student Federation MSF in a press release urged the government to keep its word and immediately issue an administrative order to upgrade the 6 added colleges into full-fledged government colleges. MSF further appealed to individuals concerned to refrain from bribing college authorities into securing a job in these colleges. Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit has demanded Prime Minister Narendra Modi to clarify the statement made by interlocutor R.N. Ravi regarding the framework agreement at the earliest. The party also maintained that there can be no separate government within the government of Manipur. President of the party, M. Tombi, also appealed to the centre not to kindle a 2nd June 18 violence incident and a 3rd Nupi land. Speaking to media person at Shiv Sena Manipur State Unit office in Babupara, M. Tombi said there is no restriction on taking steps for the welfares of the Nagas while reaching a conclusion to the Naga peace talk between NEC and IM and Government of India. However, it cannot bring any changes in Manipur. He warned that the centre should not take out anything that will affect the integrity of Manipur, like the time it traded Cabo Valley of Manipur for Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Tombi stated that the party has met with the national leaders and told them that the centre cannot take any decision on the peace talk without consulting the people of the Manipur. On the other hand, he questioned how the illegal Rohingyas from Myanmar arrested by the police yesterday entered the state and urged the relevant authorities to find out who led them into the state and to take befitting actions at the earliest.
Shiva Sena ki maike degi iram dam irai bag hana kanmana khoi ki ihan han bathawa koi gani adugi matung da rajniti ko na tawgani lenga amagi mathakta lenga ama sason tawnu na ba madugumba lenga amagi leina na bagi decision karigumba center na lor ko targati madugi mayokta Shiva Sena na sab sana khoi parliament ki floor da MP Kulumdoi Lejeriba Shiva Sena ki Sumba party na Ningan Nabaletana Koi, Tenamin Nabukitamaka, Lakadur Nungjumi Pamda, Hyper Bill Siputorko Targati, Manipur Miang Yaba Yodana, Karikuma decision Namata Lobby.
All Manipur DPC completed of Police Constable Male Civil 2013 batch drew the attention of government to declare the result of Constable Recruitment Examination 2013 batch before the end of this month. Speaking to media person at Manipur Press Club in Mizorkul today, Secretary of the batch Ahong Sangbam Binoy urged the Chief Minister, who had earlier assured of declaring the result after an order from the High Court of Manipur, to keep his words. It may be mentioned that the High Court of Manipur's ruling on April 5 this year ordered for result declaration of 2013 constable batch.
Matamamada Honorable CM na haibi kipa 2013 ki base asi thabok asi case lai haidana any public meeting khudimakta masamang na haibi kipa wafam noigi thabok asi haidok pa yaroi case lai bisne maram orta na sarkar na khut thingjan ba yade case het loiba kanda order ama he tarak pa kanda madugi matung ina order to tar matungda appeal bo chatna thabok asi 2 days natraga 3 days ki matungda haidoke haikibani madugi wafam adu honorable CM na nacha singi amasung ing manungi awabasi ubiduna haidokiba wafam dubu ngakpiraga thabok asigo athu matamda haidokpiyo haidana JSC ki site ki amasung ing manungi site ki amuka hana sarkari maikaida dingsingjari.
A private hostel for students of Bethel Christian English School at New Ketilmanbi in Kampongpit district was gutted down by fire early this morning. 114 students, including 51 girls and 63 boys, lodging in the hostel are taking refuge in this school campus at present. The school board has appealed to the government and authorities concerned to provide immediate reliefs, considering the predicament facing the students. Fire broke out at the hostel located just adjacent to the school campus around 10 in the morning, destroying all 12 rooms. Foods, clothes, books and other necessary items belonging to students were completely consumed by the fire. Owner of the hostel, Nakim Kipgent, told media person that there are no casualties since the fire occurred during the school hours. Even though the fire was contained by the joint forces of the Manipur Fire Service and CRPF personnel, Nakim Kipgent stated that all belongings of the students, including monthly allowance sent by the parents in view of the school excursion to be held next month, were all gutted down in the fire. Speaking to media person, Chairman of Bethel Christian English School Board, Tomba Gaume, stated that the half-yearly examination to be held on June 6 will be rescheduled until further notice due to the fire. The chairman appealed to the government and relevant authorities to provide assistance for the students who are currently taking shelter at the school campus.
Hojik se angang sing se phiron se loina sak tho kare do hojik se nangai su leite cha nangai su leite hojik so makha de khoi kiam gumna toraga khoi ching chak thonga cha halle aduga moigi phiron se khoi na khomaga ahan gi angang gi khangde khoi na aphang phang ba set han laga hojik le halle la banena mama pa sing na moi thama gumbagi cha nagai kaino ching chak kar kare moi thambi basu loina chak tho kare
Sarkar na krigumba athubada mateng pibire harga moi angang singi de makta mateng pangbi ba se khoi bot trapti gi masi ai hajaningi adui mathakta huji leriba angang singse paisa nusa khangde ama khangde mgoi hanjak khoi 25 aduga 26 asida discussion chan mi gi makta paisa chu mama pa sing pirak dun thami ba paisa chu loina sakhre aduga cheng sa punamak sum goi gi kano se sakhre aduna khoi je huji yamwana huji leidori anga
The Assam Thabal District Council in a press release informed that a cleanliness competition will be held for educational institutes in Thabal District as part of the upcoming World Environment Day on June 5. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Go to Village Mission Camp at Lilong Chezing Maring Khong Community Hall, where Minister Karam Shyam expressed hopefulness for developments to ensure for the bonding of public and the government. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam asserted that the close bond existing between people and government of Manipur, attained for the first time in 45 years, will facilitate development of the state. Karam Shyam made the statement at a Go to Village Mission Camp at Lilong Chenzing Maringkong Community Hall today. Speaking further as the chief guest, Minister Karam Shyam assured that the present government is working with the people to bring an innovative change in the governance with an aim to bring welfare for the people. He insisted for sincerity from representatives of the people and employees in government offices to ensure full public rights. Karam Shyam also appealed to the public to seize the opportunity provided by the ambitious mission of the government to lodge any complaints or raise any doubts to the government departments told opened in the camp. The minister further appealed to avail the benefits of around 150 central schemes and other schemes of the state government. Welfare benefits under various government departments were provided to the beneficiaries during the camp.
Awon ba maporake akoi si sarkar gi employees na government servant oiba akoi na public ki servant oiba akoi minister were na akoi na saubam thokte akoi na sauthoga leibam thokte masida akoi da laiba mindset akoi da hongai ba wakalon se si prajana appreciate tawgadamne adi matam amata laiba si minister hojik laiba si minister protocol gi matungina mangonda piriba responsibility mangonda piriba protocol sapana ba pode adubu akoi matam du MLA oiba kana chief minister unage se phangde ada hojik ti honorable CM se anau ko sahi sagi kun mathoi suba sabdar tigi adi modern politics ki praja gi importance khangak matam sida praja na madugi khudong jaba lawba ngamna na bo hona ba hebasna praja gi responsibility.
Pungdongbom Gram Panchayat launched the fourth phase of Go to Village mission camp for villages of Sekta Pungdongbom, Laushang Khong and Huidromt under the Gram Panchayat at Sekta Makha Community Hall today. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Lamlai constituency, KSH Biren said the mission launched on 1st of May under the supervision of Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren has provided benefits of various welfare schemes of different government departments to beneficiaries in far-flung areas of the state. He reminded that Go to Village mission camp was also earlier conducted at Yangang Pokpi and Nongrend in Lamlai constituency and further assured of covering the entire constituency. Jila Parishad member of Sawong Irungbom Province Chandra and officials of the Imphal East District Commissioner Office took part in the camp.
Baro sarkar na pajam hajakrak bas scheme kaya baru ina always pencil loisino masida politicalize tawdana alloiraba kaya da always pencil pidadana naha oiba kaya na phangaga leramba lukhrabi kaya na magi phangum thokpa phangoi ya phangum thokpado politicalize tawriraga akoi da vote pi natraga pd haibagi miyeng da phangdadan leramba kaya do madu pomnamak tonga sidi akoi mafam asida akoi athapa office ta porompata aduga atai athapa office ta satragaso mafam asida ariba office nga se loinamak lakpirabanina mafam asta adugumbagi khudong saba kaya phange.
Technopole District Administration ADC More also held the Go to Village mission camp at the community hall of Ngamkai Village in More today. Executive member of PWD and Social Welfare Autonomous District Council Chandal, J.N. Vaiti, Additional Deputy Commissioner More, and Bamkint and Deputy Superintendent of Police More, Thomas Tokchom and CSOs of More attended the camp. The Health Department distributed health cards for Chief Minister Gi Hakchil Ngi Tingbang scheme to the beneficiaries, while the Education Department distributed books to school dropout students on the occasion. Manipur Pollution Control Board on the National Water Monitoring Program in monitoring 70 places with water resources across the state every month. Besides, the board is also constantly monitoring air pollution by keeping varieties of air pollution sensors at its complex in Lamphel. Rivers, ponds, moats, lakes, underground water are among the water resources being monitored. The board collected water samples from Kanglatombi, Sekmai and Potsangbom areas of the Imphal River for monitoring. The river water at Kanglatombi and Potsangbom was unclear due to presence of quarry. Sampled water from Kanglatombi contained 7.4 pH value and 7.1 dissolved oxygen, while that of Potsangbom contained 7.6 pH value and 7.5 dissolved oxygen. The sampled water collected from Sekmai area was clear and its pH value is 7.3, while dissolved oxygen is 7.4. Officials of the board intimated that as part of the reading of the sample collection, the water is not polluted. A book entitled Longairongi Wakhalon Kara, Some Thoughts of Lexicography, written by Assistant Professor of the Department of Manipuri in Assam University, Silchar, Dr. R.K. Nirmola Sana, was released this afternoon. Controller of Examination, Assam University, Silchar, Dr. Supravir Datta Roy, HOD, Manipur Department, M. Rajendra, Professor of the Department, and Sarachandra, students, teachers, and research scholars of the university attended the book releasing event. The book contains 6 chapters including Discussionary gi Makhal Khaiba, Achetpa Mawongda Wahai Khaidokpa, Bilingual Discussionary equivalents, etc. The book promises to be of great help for linguists of Manipuri language. All Manipur Women's Social Reformation and Development Samas, Nupi Samas, in a press release informed that the association observed a 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to the departed soul of Mutum Ongbi Ibemhal from the Uripok Sorwon Tingan Laikai, who passed away on May 20. The organization further acclaimed Ibemhal for her contribution in various social issues of the state. Manipur State Pensioner Union observed its 18th Foundation Day at the Union Office near Singjamai Pisumthong today. Floral tributes were offered at the portraits of deceased members of the Union on the occasion. The Foundation Day observance of the Union, which was formed to avail the rights of the pensioners on time, is held every year. Pensioners from different parts of the state who attended the Foundation Day observance also discussed on implementation of 7 Central Pay Commission in the state. Huyen Lalong Manipur Thangta Cultural Association observed the 4th death anniversary of the renowned Manipuri Thangta master and Padmasri Guruji Gaurakishore Sarma at the association office in Irilbung today. Lok Sabha MP Dr. T.H. Mania and many dignitaries attended memorial observance. Floral tributes were also paid at the portrait of late Guru G. Gaurakishore on the occasion. Arrangements are ready for the quarter-final matches of AITA Super Series under 12 Boys and Girls National Ranking Tennis Tournament. In the boys' single matches played at Decoturf Imphal District Tennis Association today, W. Gavin defeated Akshas Subramaniam 6-3, 4-6, 6-3. Sanjam Eshwazit beat Rukit Rajani 6-4, 3-6, 6-2, and Hars Fogart defeated Sankar Hisnam 6-0, 6-1, while in the girls' single matches, Danvi Kelt beat Toibi Yumnamt at 6-3, 6-0. Priyanka Rana defeated Ansu Gauri 6-2, 6-1. Agni Mitra defeated Pati Banda 6-4, 2-6, 6-2. Altogether, 54 players, including 30 boys and 24 girls from across the country, are participating in the tournament organized by Imphal District Tennis Association under the aegis of Manipur Tennis Association. Subsequent matches of the tournament will be played tomorrow. Grassroots level football coaching program is going on at T.H. Bir Chandra Singh Football Academy, the Wungkol. Altogether, 172 boys between 6 to 10 years, 11 to 13 years, 14 to 15 years, and 16 to 18 years are taking part in the training program. The Football Academy, which has produced many national and international players who even participated in the Under-17 Boys FIFA World Cup, held the training program with the hope of producing more significant football players from the state. The budding football players are being trained under the supervision of grassroots leader L. Lokentra, AFCC license holder, and Uttam and S. Samursid, and renowned international football player and AFCA license holder P. Renedy. Speaking to media person P. Renedy, who has taken various initiatives of coaching young football players across the state, appealed to all football lovers in the state to participate in the upcoming 15 days football coaching program to be conducted at YWC Malom Ground from June 4.
aina matang phangbasida anytime free aina khra free oibasida aina Manipur hek lak matamda ai cycle serau da kona kona da chalaga ai adum practice aina isagi training program angang sida free da pijai aduga hajiksu sida tabung khokta coach sutam ga pulaga numin mangani sura aina tawrise numin mangani ga tawgini admain tawna sigi 15 days ki camp sida si 15 days ki camp haraga loisan manate si matung dai continuous akoi sida Manipur da tawrise grassroots phajana tawe haraga tha ani khak sanaraga tha tara sanadabagi problem do lahendanaba at least whole year after year chatnaba school lai jaina hangtok sagi han khanjaban Manipur da lairiba football le interest Manipur da khwaidagi interest yamna chaw hena khanje aduga interest karingba lebitar de 15 days ki camp sida laaga saruk yabiu.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren assures National Sports University Manipur will not be shifted to Lucknow or anywhere else. Labour Minister Radhesham calls on youths of the state to take any available job instead of merely waiting for government jobs. "114 students escaped as fire guts down the private hostel of Bethel Christian English School at New Kaitanmanbi in Kampopi district. And Minister Karamsham asserts bonding of public and government will facilitate bringing of development in the state.